In this video we will talk about the reactions of oxygen. Reaction of oxygen we will discuss here. First of all, reaction with matter, reaction with metal, sodium when react with water it gives to Na2O. We will balance the reaction. And second is aluminium when react with oxygen it gives to Al2O3. We will balance the reaction. This is for balancing the reaction. Now calcium react with oxygen and form calcium oxide. This is also called quicklime. Okay, and then when oxidation of hydrocarbon, reaction with hydrocarbon हम बात करेंगे. यहाँ पे we will talk about the reaction with hydrocarbon when it react with CH4 it gives to oxygen, react with CH4 it gives to CO2. Always remember, when hydrocarbon react with oxygen it always gives to you CO2 or H2O. We will just balance the reaction, and this is our balanced reaction. Now when C2H4 react with O2 it gives to CO2 plus H2O. How this reaction will occur? This question is given in your book also. Okay, at page number 185 of NCERT. ठीक है ना. तो now you will balance the reaction. How you will balance the reaction? 2H2O. Okay, and this is हो गया 2CO2. Now we can put here 3. Okay, 2C, 2C, 4O, 4H, 4H. Okay, and 4 oxygen here, 2 means 6 oxygen. Okay, this is the balanced reaction. Now when react with salt means zinc sulfide. This is the reaction of roasting. When metal sulfide react with oxygen it forms zinc oxide plus SO2. That this reaction you will study in the metallurgy. Okay, this is the reaction during the roasting में इस रिएक्शन का यूज़ होता है इन द आइसोलेशन ऑफ मैटर्स. ठीक है. नाउ talk about the uses of oxygen. We are just talking about the oxygen. You use in oxygen first combustion, second respiration, and third one is oxygen cylinder. Can be used by used in by divers or people those who are